What is going on, guys? What's happening? YouTube, you guys have tuned into Rules for Rebels, and in today's video, we're talking about Walmart cutting their affiliate commissions in many categories from 4% down to 1%. Now, this is kind of interesting because back in April, we saw Amazon cut their affiliate program rates or their affiliate commissions from as high as 8% in some categories down to 3%. I think some categories, if I'm not mistaken, went from 3 or 4% down to 1%. We talk about this time and time again. If you are an affiliate marketer, get it while the getting's good, strike while the iron is hot, however you want to put it. Affiliate programs typically always get worse over time. I've often talked about how great the Netflix affiliate program was at one time. I think it was $23 or $24 per sign up, and people didn't even have to give a credit card. At one point, the AliExpress program had a 30-day cookie. It went to a 7-day cookie, then to a 1-day cookie, then to a session-based cookie. Almost all affiliate programs get worse over time, and it's initially a company starts out, and either they're a new, fresh company who wants to get their name out there, or they're an established company trying to kind of, grow. But at some point, the company becomes kind of a household name. They don't need affiliates as much, and you either see the commissions get lowered, the cookie times get lowered, or both. And to most affiliates, the two most important things are, obviously it's great if a company's website converts really well, if there's other perks, promo codes, but ultimately at the end of the day, the two things that matter most to affiliates are cookie times, which refers to how long after somebody clicks your link do you actually get a commission, and then the commission rate, which is, what is either the amount you're being paid per sale, per lead, per conversion, or oftentimes with affiliate marketing, it winds up, being a percentage, 30% of each sale, 15% of each sale, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So I've signed up for the Walmart affiliate program years ago. I never really participated in it because the commissions were so low, and I was kind of surprised when I saw this post because I was under the impression that Walmart always had a 1% commission, so it was kind of eye-opening to me to learn that they actually offered more. In a second, we'll be taking a look at Walmart's affiliate commissions across various categories. Just as kind of a complete side note, I'm not really going to talk about this one too much, but apparently Sam's Club has either created a new affiliate program or changed kind of how their affiliate program works. We'll be talking about all that today. So here's the post on the affiliate marketing subreddit that I saw. It says Walmart cuts affiliate rates from 4% to 1% on many categories. Walmart pushed a contract update today. These categories were cut from 4% to 1%. Furniture, bed and bath, kitchen appliances, dining, vacuums, home decor, and arts and crafts. No formal announcement went out, so apparently they didn't email affiliates and let them know about this. And obviously in pretty much any contract with social media sites, with affiliate marketing programs, the contract's subject to change at any time. You don't have to be notified. That's, pretty standard. Although it was kind of nice that, not only did Amazon put out an email to their affiliates letting them know about the commission changes, but Amazon actually did a pretty big press release, and it was pretty big news. Walmart apparently did none of this. I went and did some searching, and I couldn't find any news articles, any press releases, not even any blog posts talking about this. If any of you guys are or have been Walmart affiliate program, if any of you guys are or have been Walmart affiliates, let me know if this truly is a change, because we're just going off one guy's Reddit post here. I can't really find anything to back this up. Obviously, most of the commissions are 1%, but like I said, I was under the impression that pretty much Walmart across the board was 1%, and I always wondered why anybody participated in their affiliate program in the first place. If we go down and read some comments, wow, 1% is trash. Yeah, I think Amazon's 4% is trash. So 1% is just pure garbage. I believe Walmart has a 3-day cookie period. We'll take a look at that in a second. LMAO, wow, they might as well just end their program. Nobody will be an affiliate for Walmart offering less or equal commission to Amazon. Sadly, many people will still be affiliates for Walmart. You got to hope this is what happens. Enough people stop being affiliates for them that they can see a noticeable loss from that to where the program increased the rates. Can't really imagine they had a huge program to begin with. Good grief. Somebody's asking, is it permanently lowered or just temporarily lowered because of COVID? Yikes, another reason I do not like promoting low-ticket offers. This is harsh. And we'll be talking about that. Before we wrap up this video, I'll talk a little bit about some of the affiliate programs that I've had the most success with. So if we go over here, and this is a little bit confusing. So if we go over to affiliates.walmart.com, which seems to be Walmart's official affiliate, FAQ page, we can see the commission rates here. If we go over to app.impact.com, I'm not sure if Walmart runs their affiliate marketing program through Impact, or if this is just kind of a secondary program. And here's where it gets kind of confusing, and here's what I mean by that. Let's take the AliExpress affiliate program, for example. The AliExpress affiliate program, if you sign up directly through AliExpress, it's an 8% commission with a session-based cookie. Like I said, at one point that was a 30-day cookie. It then got brought down to a 7-day cookie. It then got brought down to a 24-hour cookie. And ultimately, they lowered it to a session-based cookie. Session-based cookies are the worst cookies. What that means is if somebody clicks your affiliate link and they close the browser because they have to run and pick their kid up from school or whatever else, and then they come back home and log back on, because it's a new browser session, you're not going to get credited with that sale, as opposed to like even a 24-hour cookie. It's not great, but for the next 24-hour period, as long as they don't click on another affiliate link or clear their cache, you'll still be credited with that cookie. Anyhow, the reason I mention this, with AliExpress, like I said, if you sign up directly with them, you get an 8% commission. I believe you can also sign up for the AliExpress affiliate program through Commission Junction, and Commission Junction only pays 1%. So essentially what happens, a Commission Junction, for anybody who's not a member of Commission Junction, one of the nice things about Commission Junction is it's one login, it's one platform, and there's hundreds, if not thousands, if not tens of thousands of affiliate programs on that platform. So you don't have to manage 12 different logins, you don't have to sign up for 12 different programs. The downside is a company like Commission Junction winds up taking a piece of a lot of their affiliate offers. So in my experience, it's typically best to sign up directly with the company, assuming that they have a program directly through them and it's not through a third-party affiliate platform. It is generally speaking best to sign up directly with the company. Anyhow, on Impact, it's showing a 1% commission. If we head over to Walmart here, baby is 4%, beauty is 4%, books are 1%, business and personal checks is 18%. Clothing 4%, contact lenses 10%, electronics 1%, gift registry 4%, health 4%, home 4%, jewelry 4%, movies 1%, music 1%, patio and garden 4%, photo 1%, sports and outdoors 4%, toys 4%, video games 1%, and others are 4%. Electronics tends to be really low. I think Amazon's only at 1% for electronics as well. Really, like the only thing at Walmart that I would ever have an interest in really promoting, because shit, they're paying you 1%. You might as well go over to Amazon. I think Amazon converts better than Walmart. I think most people already have an Amazon account, already have their credit card registered. So again, it's going to convert better than Walmart. Personally, I don't have a Walmart account. I do have an Amazon account. I think that's probably the case with most people. The only thing from Walmart that I would really, really want to promote is, what's the name of their outdoors line? Walmart makes a knockoff brand, Ozark Trail, right? So Yeti coolers, the hugely popular and also fairly expensive coolers. Walmart's Ozark Trail brand, their private label kind of camping and outdoors brand, is actually pretty good. I love a lot of Ozark Trail stuff. Ozark Trail makes halfway decent tents, and I think one of the best products Ozark Trail makes is they basically make a lot of knockoff Yeti products. So they make knockoff Yeti, not growlers, what do you call it? Like tumblers, knockoff Yeti, beer can koozies, knockoff Yeti, backpack coolers, big coolers, etc. And so that's one of the few items that I would want to promote. The outdoor niche, the camping niche, the survival niche is a hot niche. That category actually pays fairly decent, right? Sports and outdoors, 4%. So if there was anything from Walmart I would ever promote, it would be that. But I really don't have a lot of interest in promoting Walmart products. And let's talk a little bit about affiliate marketing. I think when a lot of people get into affiliate marketing as new affiliate marketers, they tend to rush for the big name programs, right? Like almost everybody when they get started with the Amazon affiliate program, or Walmart, or Best Buy, or Newegg, or some of these big name affiliate programs. Honestly, the most money that I've ever made with affiliate programs, aside from like AliExpress, I did pretty well with AliExpress, it is like kind of like random small independent affiliate programs. I got one affiliate program with a merchant processor. Every conversion that I get for them, every sign up for a new merchant processing account is $100. They send me a check for $100. Kind of weird. Almost everybody does PayPal. or at the very least ACH. These guys are old school. They wind up sending me a cashier's check for $100 for every conversion. TerraPeak's affiliate program, I did pretty well with. I think for the basic TerraPeak sign up, I'd get $14.95. For the professional level TerraPeak plan, I would get, I think it was $36. I was into the Jungle Scout affiliate program before they really got big. I think they used to give me $18 per conversion. Right now, I'm promoting a website or a website, a company that sells products designed to pass drug tests. Within my first 2 weeks on the program, I made, I don't know, 186 bucks, and I would say, really off of pretty much like 3 YouTube videos, I probably convert about 86 bucks worth of sales every 2 weeks. And there's almost no effort being put into that. That's a program I've been meaning to build a website for and create some more content for. But that one, pretty much every conversion is anywhere from $14 to $50 per sale. I was trying to think of some other good affiliate programs. There was something called the Easy Pipe. Not a huge commission because it was like a $10 or $12 product, but I was doing volume with them, and they had really attractive affiliate terms. It was basically like a little weed pipe that holds a lighter, has a built-in poker, just kind of like a little sleek weed pipe that was kind of unique. Did pretty well with that one, but the most success I've ever had with affiliate programs was not with Amazon. It wasn't with Walmart. It wasn't with Newegg or any of those sites. It's all with these like smaller, with the exception of TerraPeak and Jungle Scout, which are pretty big. It's always been with smaller, kind of more obscure affiliate programs. And it just kind of, I guess, kind of the message I'm trying to get across is go against the grain. Don't necessarily, I'm saying don't follow every YouTuber as I'm making a YouTube video here, telling you, giving you advice or telling you what to do. But don't necessarily follow every YouTuber or what everybody else is doing. Go against the grain. Find the smaller programs. Don't try to follow everybody else's style of affiliate marketing. Whatever your strength is, whether it's making videos, writing blog posts, making guides, kind of cater to your own strengths. Find these obscure programs in niches that you're either knowledgeable about or passionate about, and I think you're going to have a lot more success with affiliate marketing than you are making another Amazon review site, or you are making another Amazon comparison site where you're comparing Dyson vacuums to Shark vacuums. Do your own thing, find your own programs. There is still money out there to be made with affiliate marketing, and the more obscure or lesser known affiliate programs are less likely to cut commissions like Amazon and Walmart's doing. So that's all I got for you guys today. If any of you guys have been Walmart affiliates, let me know what your experience has been. Let me know if this is true that they've cut the rates, because like I said, I see that most stuff is 1%. I was under the impression stuff was almost always 1% anyways. So let me know if this is true, if this is the case. And anything else you guys have to add about Walmart, Amazon affiliate program, affiliate marketing in general, any questions you have, drop them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video.